Now we studied formula methods. Formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In that, this b square minus 4ac is delta, that means discriminant. So this b square minus 4ac plays a role in this formula. Now by this we can determine the nature of root of the given equation. So delta is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. In the second case, if delta is 0, then roots are real and equal. And in the third case, if delta is less than 0, then roots are not real. या ठिकाणी रूट्स रियल नंबर नसतात, त्याला आपण इमॅजिनरी रूट्स म्हणतो. तर अशा पद्धतीनं आपण डेल्टाच्या माध्यमातून नेचर ऑफ रूट्स सांगू शकतो विदाउट सॉल्विंग दॅट एक्झाम्पल. Now in this concept we are going to find out the relation between the coefficients and the roots of the equation. So here this is the general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and the formula methods formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. From that we are separating the two roots, one with the plus sign and the other with minus sign. अशा पद्धतीनं आपण त्याला एकाला अल्फा म्हणतो, दुसऱ्याला बीटा म्हणतो. मग पहिल्यांदा आपण अल्फा प्लस बीटा घेतला आहे, याचा डिनॉमिनेटर सेम आहे ऍज इट इज. मग वरची बेरीज होईल मायनस बी प्लस स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac. हे प्लस जरी असलं याच्यामध्ये बदल होत नाही. मायनस बी हे मायनस स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac. तर हे स्क्वेअर रूट प्लस साइन आहे, हे स्क्वेअर रूट मायनस साइन आहे, कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल. आणि मायनस बी हे झालं मायनस 2b अपॉन 2a. हे 2 कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल, म्हणजेच मायनस बी अपॉन a. सो अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू मायनस बी अपॉन ए. यानंतर त्याच पद्धतीनं अल्फा बीटा, तर अल्फा मायनस बी प्लस स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac अपॉन 2a मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मायनस बी मायनस स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. तर 2a multiplied by 2a that will become 4a square. आता वरचा गुणाकार, या ठिकाणी पहा पहिलं पद मायनस बी आहे, इथं पण मायनस बी आहे. दुसरं पद या ठिकाणी हे स्क्वेअर रूट साइन आहे, इथं पण स्क्वेअर रूट साइन आहे. मधल्या बाजूला या ठिकाणी प्लस साइन आहे, या ठिकाणी मायनस साइन आहे. मग याला a गृहीत धरू, a प्लस b हे झालं a मायनस बी. तर a प्लस बी, a मायनस बी, that is a square minus b square. So minus b square minus root b square minus 4ac bracket square. मग मायनस b चा स्क्वेअर आणि b चा स्क्वेअर सारखाच आहे म्हणून हे b स्क्वेअर मायनस या ठिकाणी हे पॉवर 2 आणि हे स्क्वेअर रूट दोन्ही निघून जाईल, म्हणजे हे राहील b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. So b square minus b square plus 4ac divided by 4a square. So b square minus b square cancel, so it becomes 4ac upon 4a square. So 4 cancel, a and 1a from this will get cancelled. So here it will be c upon a. So alpha beta is equal to C upon A, and alpha plus beta is equal to minus B upon A. And the last part we studied x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta. That means alpha and beta are the roots of equation. So x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta. Now this we can write x minus alpha is equal to 0, or here also we can write x minus beta is equal to 0. Now here the या दोघांची वजाबाकी शून्य आहे, या दोघांची वजाबाकी शून्य आहे. याचा अर्थ या ठिकाणी x मायनस अल्फा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x मायनस बीटा is equal to 0. So here we can write x into x square, x into minus beta x minus alpha into x, that is minus alpha x, and minus alpha multiplied by minus beta, that is plus alpha beta, is equal to 0. So x square, here minus sign common, then x common, here it remains beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation in the form of root. So quadratic equation in the form of roots. First one we saw, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and this is another quadratic equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. It is in the form of roots. So the first example, that is question number 2 from exercise 2.5. Here we have to find out the value of discriminant, that means delta. So for that, first we have to compare. So comparing equation with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 10. So delta, that is b square minus 4ac, so minus 5 square minus 4 into a multiplied by c. So minus 5 square is 25 minus 4 to the 8, 8 into 10, 80. So 80 minus 25, that is 55, and sign of greater number is negative. Therefore here delta is minus 55. So here we can write the value of discriminant is negative 55. शक्यतो वाक्यात उत्तर लिहायचा प्रयत्न करायचा की जेणेकरून आपले उत्तर लिहिण्याची पद्धती चांगली होईल आणि समोरचा पेपर तपासणारा आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी पूर्ण मार्क द्यायचा प्रयत्न जास्तीत जास्त करेल. So here again the same way we have to solve this. So comparing with general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 2 root 2. So delta is b square minus 4ac. So 4 square minus 4 into a multiplied by c is 2 root 2. 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 2 is 8 multiplied by root 2 into root 2, that is 2, that is 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So delta is equal to 0. That means the value of discriminant is 0. Now in question number 3, we have to determine the nature of root with the value of delta. So we have to go through the same steps which we used in the previous question. So comparison first. So comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 4. Now delta, that is b square minus 4ac. So minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4. So 16 minus 16, that is 0. So delta is equal to 0. If delta is equal to 0, then we can say that the nature of roots is real and equal. Now second example, again the same steps we have to follow. First, comparison. Comparing equation with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 2. Now delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square, that is minus 7 square minus 4 into a into c. 14, 9 minus 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. 49 minus 16. 9 minus 6, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. So delta is equal to 33. Therefore, we can say delta is greater than 0. This number is positive, that means greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and unequal. Now third condition. So comparing equation with general equation, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 9. Therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So 2 square minus 4 into 1 multiplied by 9. So 2 square is 4 minus 4 nines are 36. 36 minus 4 is 32 and sign of greater number is negative. Therefore delta is minus 32. Here we can write delta is less than 0. That means negative. So the nature will be the roots of equation are not real. Now in question number 4, these are the roots of equation, quadratic equation. So we have to frame that quadratic equation with the help of these roots. So let alpha and beta are roots of quadratic equation. So alpha is equal to 1 upon 2, beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So alpha plus beta, that is 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to 0, and alpha into beta, that is 1 upon 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2 plus minus minus 1 into 1 1 divided by 2 into 2 4. So minus 1 upon 4. Now using general quadratic equation in the form of roots, that is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. आता यामध्ये किमती ठेवायच्या, तर x square minus alpha plus beta is 0, 0x plus alpha beta is minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. So here we can write x square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Now if we multiply this equation by 4, we get 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. याला जर आपण या इक्वेशनला 4 ने गुणलं तर हे 4x वर्ग होईल. या ठिकाणी 4 ने गुणलं तर 4 4 कॅन्सल होईल, हे 1 राहील, आणि इकडे जर 4 ने गुणलं तर 4 गुणिले 0 0. म्हणजे अशा प्रकारे हे इक्वेशन मिळेल. सो लास्टली हियर वी कॅन राइट it is the required quadratic equation. Now same steps we have to follow for this example. First of all we have to define these roots. So let alpha and beta are roots of quadratic equation. So alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus root 5. पहा या ठिकाणी जे दोन रूट्स दिलेले आहेत, पहिली किंमत ही अल्फा गृहीत धरा, दुसरी किंमत बीटा गृहीत धरा, काही अडचण येत नाही. मग अल्फा प्लस बीटा, that is 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. So root 5 आणि minus root 5 कॅन्सल होईल, 2 plus 2 4, आणि अल्फा बीटा is equal to 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. A minus b multiplied by a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So 2 square minus root 5 square. So 2 square 4 minus root 5 square is 5. So minus 1. Alpha beta is equal to minus 1. Now next step is using this general quadratic equation. So using general quadratic equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta is 4x plus alpha beta is minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore we can write x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. So it is the required quadratic equation. Now this is question number 5. We have to find out the value of k. So this is the equation given. So first of all, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4k and c is equal to k plus 3. Now, let alpha and beta are roots of given quadratic equation. Therefore, here the condition is given, that is the sum of roots is double of product of roots. So this we have to write in equation form. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2 multiplied by alpha beta. Let it be step number 1. Now using these values of ABC, we will write alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, that is minus b ची किंमत आहे minus 4k आणि upon a 1 minus minus plus, so 4k upon 1, that is 4k. So alpha beta is equal to c upon a, that is k plus 3 upon 1, so k plus 3. Alpha beta is equal to. Now these two values we have to put in equation 1. Put values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in equation 1. So alpha plus beta, in that place we have to write 4k is equal to 2 multiplied by alpha beta. In that place we have to write k plus 3. So 2k plus 6. 2 into 3, 6. Here 4k. So 4k minus 2k is equal to 6. That is 2k is equal to 6. K is equal to 6 upon 2. That is k is equal to 3. Lastly, we have to write in sentence the value of k is 3. Now this is question number 6. Y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here we have to find out the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. So for that, first we have to compare with the general equation. So comparing with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 7. So let alpha and beta are roots of quadratic equation. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, that is minus 2 upon 1, that is 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Alpha beta is equal to c upon a, that is minus 7 upon 1, that is minus 7. Alpha beta is equal to. आता या ठिकाणी पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर काढायचा आहे. तर त्यासाठी युजिंग फॉर्म्युला अल्फा प्लस बीटा ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर प्लस 4 अल्फा बीटा हा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा. मग या ठिकाणी अल्फा प्लस बीटाच्या जागी 2 स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू हे जशा तसं राहील अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर प्लस 4 अल्फा बीटा तर त्या जागी -7. सो अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर -28 हे 2 स्क्वेअर इकडे हे झालं 4. आता -28 या साईडला घ्यायचं तर 4 प्लस 28 इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर दॅट इज 32 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Therefore, we can write alpha square plus beta square is equal to 32. तसंच या ठिकाणी अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब काढायचा असेल तर अल्फा प्लस बीटा ब्रॅकेट क्यूबचा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा. मग अल्फा प्लस बीटा ब्रॅकेट क्यूब इज इक्वल टू अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब प्लस 3 अल्फा बीटा अल्फा प्लस बीटा. मग किमती ठेवायच्या. अल्फा प्लस बीटा दॅट इज 2. सो 2 क्यूब इज इक्वल टू अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब प्लस 3 अल्फा बीटाच्या जागी -7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज 2. सो 8 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus minus 3 7s are 21 into 2 42. So alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 8 plus 42 that is 50 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore, lastly we can write alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50. Here for this quadratic equation, the nature of root is real and equal. It is given. So, first of all, here we have to find out the value of discriminant that is delta. So, for that we require ABC. So, kx square minus 2 into kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing with the general quadratic equation. So, comparing with general quadratic equation, we get a is equal to k, b is equal to -2k and c is equal to 6. So delta is b square minus 4ac. So -2k bracket square minus 4 into k multiplied by 6. -2 square is 4 into k square minus 4 into 6 24. So 24k. Delta is equal to 4k square minus 24k. Let it be step number 1. The nature of roots is real and equal. Therefore, we can write delta is equal to 0. Step number 2. So from 1 and 2, we can write 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. So take 4 common. K square minus 6k is equal to 0. So k square minus 6k is equal to 0. So we can take again k common. So k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, here either k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So if k minus 6 is equal to 0, we can write k is equal to 6. Now here k is equal to 0 is not possible. K is equal to 0 is not acceptable because equation will not remain quadratic. Equation will not remain quadratic. Therefore, k is equal to 6. So, lastly we can write in sentence the value of k is 6.